Wait.
Welcome to Meatball Master's Power Hour. Today we are making ingredients: mozzarella, basil, and spaghetti. So if we start off here. First we start off with pot. We fill it with water. Now we wait.
$2,000 later.
We must wait till water gets about halfway, maybe 2/3. We start boiling water. We wait about 5 minutes, we set timer. I could find the timer. Perfect. Now we have water boiling. If it starts boiling before timer goes off, we stop timer and we start putting spaghetti in here. So, next we have our pot for the tomato sauce. I'm gonna put it in the far right corner. We have our Rinaldi tomato sauce. We open tomato sauce. If I can open it. We get tomato sauce. We put it in pot. We start the stove. It's on about level 5. The thing about tomato sauce is it does not boil, you wait till it heats. Put spoon in tomato sauce and make sure it's hot enough when it's done. Put the timer for 3 minutes. We don't worry about the water for now because we have to focus on the tomato sauce. Microwaves are stupid. Perfect. Now we have 5 minutes, wait for that. And while we wait for water to boil, we get our basil ready. We get basil and cheese ready for spaghetti. Now I like to preferably use ShopRite squishy mozzarella cheese. Strip cheese. Blocks are preferably better for shredding against large circles like this for more cheese. We should put more cheese. We get the cheese. Put it in bag for later. Now while we wait for water and for tomato sauce,
2,000 years later.
we open the package of spaghetti. We pour it into boiling hot pot of water. We pour sideways. So half of spaghetti melts in pot and the other slowly comes down. We wait for spaghetti to go down. slowly takes time for spaghetti to move down. Depends how hot your water is. Then we wait for spaghetti to get ready. Put the rest in. Can't really see because there's steam with pasta in the spaghetti in. Ready to pour pasta as in spaghetti. Turn off your stove. You have to be very careful with the strainer. Where? Here? You must be very careful. If you spill this on the floor, Nico's mother will. We have bowls up. And while we wait for spaghetti to get way less hot, we prepare our basil. Get a knife. We cut the basil in pieces. Basil in little pieces. That's stupid. We have little pieces of basil. When you get the little pieces, you peel. Peel if you feel necessary for basil. So you have your tomato sauce. Wait. That's perfect, alright. So for serving, for spaghetti, yeah, that's wrong. We get spaghetti. What? No, that's what the tomato sauce does.
Look at that.
Then tomato sauce. Dick.
We'll cut it out.
It's not good.
How many things are we cutting out
It's
at this
not
point? Fine.
We're not gonna
Fine.
do that. So if you have not too much tomato sauce, more than others, You use other spoon if you want to stir tomato sauce with pasta. Slightly. Take my spaghetti. And here's spaghetti. We have little bits of basil. Right if you need. Little bits of basil. Spread out onto the pasta. Then we have cheese that we shredded from before. Make sure cheese is spread out between the basil and pasta. And we have our dish of spaghetti, basil, cheese, and spaghetti. Here is the cameraman taking taste of beautiful spaghetti.
Alright, let's do this. Beautiful.
Does basil go good with spaghetti?
Yeah.
That's excellent.
Oh my god, no, that's actually really good.
Yeah.
Really good.
You're welcome.
I would give this 4 stars just because the spaghetti is a little.
It's a little undercooked
It's a little
because
undercooked.
the pot.
We didn't feel like taking.
We had some technical difficulties with the water boiling. It took about 20 to 30 minutes for the water to boil.
Yeah.
So we just poured it in halfway. So.
But
the basil goes.
I would say, 4 stars. It is pretty good. Just a little uncooked, but that's okay. I would recommend this to our school because the food they serve is literally disgusting.
Spaghetti's undercooked because pot takes too long. And thank you for joining us on Meatball Master Power Hour. Today's dish was 4 stars by our cameraman. We'll see you next time.
Do you know the way? You gotta know the way.